In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tokens in Monopoly Go on your Monopoly Go app. Tokens are a fun and rewarding part of the game, and collecting them can elevate your playing experience, giving you more exciting opportunities to explore. Let's dive right in and see how you can start collecting those coveted tokens today. First, open up your Monopoly Go app and direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. You'll notice an icon labeled Album. Go ahead and tap that. The album is where your collected tokens are stored, and it provides an overview of your current progress. As you explore this section, you'll see a countdown. Currently, 51 days and 3 hours remain to snag a token known as the Scarf King. This time limit is crucial as it adds a bit of urgency and excitement to your collecting journey. In the album section, you will also see that completing the entire album unlocks the chance to win the prize token. It's quite the incentive, giving you a straight path toward that goal. So make sure to keep an eye on the album and work towards completing it step by step. Beyond the album, there's another straightforward way to get tokens. Return to your main screen and direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. This is where you'll notice the familiar hamburger icon. Tap on it, and what you're looking for is the Daily Treats tab. Once you're on the Daily Treats page, you'll find a list that logs your daily progress. It's a simple but effective way to keep track of the rewards you're earning just by logging into the game each day. Pay particular attention to reaching day 7 in the Daily Treats calendar. On this day, you've got something exciting waiting for you, the Cutie Cat token. As it turns out, that's how easy it is to collect some tokens. Daily plays add up, and with just a little consistency, you'll find yourself racking up tokens more quickly than you might have expected. So that essentially wraps up how you can get tokens in Monopoly Go. Remember, with just a bit of regular gameplay and keeping an eye on the album and Daily Treats sections, you're well on your way to building an impressive collection of tokens. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, do hit that like button, drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Happy token hunting, everyone!